Kawai na kilat patai khubor ko o Meghalaya ka arpoi terek na weng kala pelong ye ka jingelang ka belingkot panai khuble kerpang ye ka Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank MCAB hakabai dei ba ka jingla ka jongki pan chakri ye ki pat ba ka por ba ka ri borok kawai kamat ye ka jingye jong ka jingkatu kutia hadien ba sarkar preng kala pen bana ban pendu no ye ki lut sanspa ba 6000 kum kalinti ban pendu jaj no si sendan ya kam bamsap ban pendu pendam ya ka black money ka o Meghalaya kala le kan ye na ka jing pendep jongka ya ka survey panlap kinu ki bang ki bla chakri ba na kamanta ki pat ba kata na do ka pratrik nai weng ter hakini ka singi chief secretary ka jalao ki escrofa la long kongsan bla IT yo buke shiki officer ka MCAB haba jingkren kurfa la ong ki bang ki de bandan ka jinge de ki bayejan bat ki pat ba kamta ma ki por ba don ka jinge hakaliang jong jing tuna ban yo ki kutia long kani kam chakri pat ba karang de ban beteng ka ba pat yo pedang yi kilot sans pa patmai par ka jing tuna kilot chispa Chief Secretary lo ong ka sarkar jala kadang ikren bar ka sarkar preng bar kumju ka Reserve Bank in India ban pelat ya ka jala na kani ka jing ya kamtam habasyan ka jala kan salek kemen ya ka Christmas bar baki pat ba kin yo hok ban pendep ya ki kam ki jam jongki na du ka thiet jing thiet bar ki wei.
Thank you, sir. I dedicate this to all the staff of the bank. More than me, it's the staff of the bank who've been putting in endless hours of work without even a small complaint. This I think I dedicate to all our branch managers, to all the staff of the bank, down to the peons. You should have seen how they carried the trunks without murmuring a single complaint. You know, the heavy trunks that we had when we remitted money. I dedicate this to all the staff, and I'm sure we will forge ahead in the years to come with the kind of dedication that we have shown in a time of crisis like this. Thank you very much, sir.
Wish you all the best.